Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your reviews on Airbnb. Now without reviews, using Airbnb would be a constant roll of the dice. Will you show up to a press time and well appointed apartment, or the opposite? I will suggest you are welcoming into your property be clean, well mannered and quite a sloppy route, and leave the place trash. Thanks to the fact that reviews are an integral part of the Airbnb experience for both the guest and the host, and you rarely have to go into a rental horrified, nor do hosts have to accept guests on blind fame. Now, the easiest way to see house review is to simply click on the property and scroll down to see the reviews from past guests, and you can also click on the host profile image in the overview section to be taken to a page with their bio, background information and all of the reviews, and you can also see your own reviews on Airbnb 2 profile page. And in order to do that, you have to log into your Airbnb on your Mac or PC and click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the page and select the option called profile from the drop down menu. The reviews others have left about you will display right under your bio section, and to see reviews you have written, scroll down below the reviews and click on the section that sends reviews by you, as you can see, and this will take you to a page where you can toggle between your own reviews and those written about you by others. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.